This wasn't the video I wanted to do. I wanted to be fitting my new cluster. But the car gods have shone down on me and said, you're not doing it this time. So the car is still in the garage. The bad news is there's another fault. The good news is I've just found out today that I can actually get the car back, and we've got to come up with a plan for the other fault. I'll tell you a bit about what happened. So I was driving along, got to about 35 mile an hour and the handbrake light came on, so I checked the handbrake, see if it was on. It was off. I was indicating and then the indicator stopped. Power steering went stiff. I didn't know what was going on. Other lights started to come on, so as I came around the traffic lights I pulled over, and the car was nearly stalling. I got to about 40 mile an hour, but as soon as I dipped the clutch and the revs dropped to about 1,000 revs, everything started working again. So obviously I thought alternator, battery, something like that. The AA came out, they said exactly the same. I got towed to my local garage that I use all the time. I've been using them for years. Even he thought it was, but the motor factors they use wanted near on £200 for an alternator. So I sourced one on the internet from a motor factor. It was just a cheaper version. It was £124 it was. So he fitted it. I picked it up, but I had a new battery at the same time just to be sure. Drove it round the corner, did exactly the same. So obviously we'd thought maybe it was the fuse tray that's in the passenger footwell, which is the body control module. It does the indicators and all the lights and stuff like that. So we had to wait for the auto electrician to come out and test it. So the auto electrician came out and diagnosed it as a faulty alternator. The brand new alternator I bought with a warranty was faulty. So the garage put a new one in, and I got a message today saying it's not broken anymore. But while it was there, we decided to investigate the steering angle sensor, which I might have mentioned in a few videos before, with the code U1900, which means it's a communication codes within the Ford system. So while it's been in the garage, he investigated it. Unbeknown to me, the cable that plugs into the steering angle sensor, which is at the bottom of the steering rack, wasn't there. It snapped off somewhere, so he's trying to trace where it snapped off. The good news is it's not the steering angle sensor, and it's not the power steering pump that's given the code, which is a good thing. But the bad news is the steering angle sensor cable is actually part of the whole engine loom. So any garages out there that are watching this that want to help me out, please do, because I rang Ford up for a new engine loom. It was £1,200, and then obviously the garage has to fit it on top. So if anyone's got any ideas, please let me know in the comments below. Get in touch, we'll sort something out. I'm going to attempt to do my first competition on the channel, the first of many hopefully, and I've got for the winner a new rear wiper delete kit, and it's actually got ST etched on it. So what I need you to do to enter the competition is comment below, like, subscribe and share on Facebook or Twitter this video for other people to enter the competition. I'm going to draw it when I do the video for the cluster installation, which hopefully will be this week, because I should pick the car up on Monday. But if any of you have got any ideas with regards to the steering angle sensor problem and my wiring, please let me know as well. Apart from that, enjoy the rest of your weekend, folks, and I hope I haven't took too much of your time up. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, comment, Don't forget to share on social media. Be in the chance to win the rear wiper delete kit. Thanks for watching. For those that have been asking, that is a signed Blackpool FC shirt of a player called Angel Martinez that played for Blackpool. So now you'll know that I'm a Blackpool fan. I'm a Seasider through and through. So there you go.